Shing Bisdakis. Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Luluto ako ng fries, guys. Air fry potato with cheese. Parang, ano na ito? French fries. I-ready ko muna to bago ko lutuin yung chicken. Kaya para pagkatapos sa chicken, masalang siya agad. Kasi isa lang yung air fry na. What do you think? You need another air fryer? Oh my goodness. Para sabay maluto ba, guys? I think you make at least French fries na Red Robin. So that's why we cook that in the oven. At least we cook that in one bag in 3 times. Look like I noticed the packaging is going small. Remember we cook me only little bit. And then we cook me only 3 times in one bag. I notice now, guys, the packaging of the food, guys, is going small. And then the price so high. You notice also, guys, in your country, guys, you notice the packaging is very small, and then the price is so high. Going high by the price. Rini here, guys, Rini. Anis TV Vlog. Thank you so much, Sis Anis. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys. Luluto ako ng lunch, guys. I'm cooking lunch. Only 2 pieces of tomato. Potato. You need to